Hey, did you watch the short video for Alien, Romulus?
Hang on, just finishing this game level. No, I haven't. Is it out now?
It came out this morning. Everyone's talking about it online. Let me show you.
Whoa, spooky. Is that a new space station?
Seems like it. They didn't say much about the story, but it's about a group of young people finding this old station.
Classic Alien setup. Young, inexperienced crew in danger. I like it. Who's in the movie?
Kaylee Spaney, the girl from Priscilla, is the main actor. There are some other new faces too.
Interesting. New actors can be cool. It keeps things surprising.
See? It feels a lot like the original Alien movie. Tight spaces, industrial, waiting for something scary to happen.
Don't jinx it. That's what makes these movies great. The tension, the feeling that something's hiding.
Definitely. The effects look amazing. Remember how fake the aliens looked in Covenant? This seems more real.
Yeah, I was hoping for that. Less CGI, more practical effects.
Exactly. Did you notice the Nostromo crew pod at the end? Lots of nods to the original.
Wow, you're right. That's probably a reference to Ripley. Maybe it connects to the first movie somehow?
The director, Fede Alvarez, loves Alien. He might add cool connections without repeating the same story.
Exciting. I liked his work on Evil Dead. He knows how to build suspense.
Totally. This video gave me chills. Imagine the full movie.
I'm already planning to see it. August feels so far away. How do we wait?
That's the torture of trailers. But with all this buzz, they'll release more info soon. Maybe a full trailer, character details.
Don't tease me. I need to know everything. What's the new xenomorph like? Any old characters back? Is there a flamethrower?
Slow down. We'll find out eventually. For now, let's analyze this video and make crazy theories.
Sounds good. Maybe there's a hidden message in the flickering light's Morse code.
You never know. Let's keep our eyes peeled. Anyway, I've gotta go. Catch you later.
Bye. See you soon.
By the way, are you coming to the dinner party tonight?
Yes, definitely. Wouldn't miss it for the world.
Great. Can't wait to catch up. See you later.
Absolutely. Looking forward to it. See you tonight.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.